Hey, Lou Hornberger here, and I'm going to show you today in our demo of EZLocal how simple it is to use this smart booking service. All right, so we're going to log in here to EZLocal, and this is the admin account where I can create the accounts. So you can see I've got two users I've created here, and Kyvio Lou and Kyvio Dental. And I'll show you real quick how to create one. It is super easy. Click on Business Management, Create Business, and then you add your company name here. We're going to go with Kyvio Plumbing, one of our new companies, and we scroll down here so we find our plumbers, and I'm going to select the free plan, standard plan, or premium. I'm just going to go with the free plan for now and register. And you'll see here now we come back to our managed businesses. There's our listing of our new business we just created, and over here we can define the plans that they'll have access to. Like you saw, they had the free, standard, and premium, and you can adjust those. You can edit those plans and decide what's included with them, the monthly price, yearly price, and a lifetime price if you like. All those options are in there. If they're allowed to have users, set appointments, galleries, and all those features are set in here in the plans. The trainings, the support are included as well. And now I'm going to show you what you can do on the front side of this, the businesses, how they utilize it. So let's take a look here. Here we're going to go to the Kyvio Dental, and we're going to log in as a user. Click on that, it takes us right into it. Now we are logged in, and you'll see here we have a lot more options on the left side now, plus a simple wizard to get us started, right? Click here to set our business hours, and we can do that here, go through and set the times for our hours that we're open. We can even include breaks, maybe take a lunch break when we're not available to schedule appointments. Then we can add staff, simply create new staff person and add that information there. We can then add a customer and add a service that we offer. So this is our dental page. So we would offer the cleaning, the filling, and that sort of things. And you can set those up by what the service name is, create an image for it, assign staff people to that. So when someone creates an appointment, they can choose who they want to work with right from the scheduling. Set up the price, how long it takes, any kind of details on it, and if you want to show or hide it. So that's the wizard to get your product set up. You can then go and review your subscription, your free, your standard, or your premium, and you can click and simply upgrade and see what the additional features you get. So it's totally controlled by the customer. Once they receive their account, they can then choose to upgrade a monthly, a yearly, and a lifetime. Then you can set all your settings, the company settings, allow you to determine the information about your company, your logo, your banner can all be uploaded here, titles and information, SEO section, your social settings can be added there as well. Your general settings allow you to connect with your time zone, currency format, time format, interval settings for your appointments. Do you allow the gallery to be used, payments, and such. You can also here look at the working hours that are available. Your Twilio settings. Yes, it's got a Twilio integration that you add your information in here. And then when someone sets an appointment, they'll automatically be texted an update. You can create a QR code that you can send out to customers to share your business page using a QR code. You can manage your profile here, and then of course changing your password. You can look at transactions that you have made with EZLocal. There are none right now because we're on the free setup. You can set up your calendar and take a look at what is happening right now, what schedule is out there for you, what locations, if you have more than one location for your company. You can set that up, and maybe you have sub-locations in that, different departments within that you can set up as a sub-location. You can set up coupons, which are discount codes that you can set up to give customers to use if they sign up in a certain way, how long it can last, what the discount is, what the code is, and how many can do it, even if it's just once per customer. Of course, an extensive report section that allows you to see what's been happening and how many customers have been booked and the net income you've earned off of that. And then you can go here and look at the actual site. And here we are on our booking page. See, there's our logo, our banner across the top, our information down here, our business days that we're open. We're actually closed on Thursday. And we can see here what services we offer. And you can see here we offer extraction and cleaning services. One of our dentists, Dr. Bosco, does extraction. Both of our dentists, Dr. Nick and Dr. Bosco, do cleaning. We can book right from here, or we can go back and look at the calendar. On the calendar, I click on Book Now, and I select I want to be in the Philly location. Which branch? There's a Center City and Manayunk. We're going to go to Manayunk. What services are there? We're going to go for an extraction, continue. And what date do we want? We're going to do this on the 24th. What time do we want? 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Continue. At that point, if we already have an account, it'll show us this option of logging in with our username and password. But we are new registrations. At this point, we'll get our new info down. And what will happen is this person will be added to our database of phone numbers and addresses or contacts so that we can then reach out to them and we can set up any special notes and see those there. So this is the customer level. So first step is to set up your service. We showed you how that's done. You set up the service here. Each thing is set up in the dashboard. And then you share your booking page URL on a social platform or website to get your clients to come out to you. You can also email to your list of prospects, so you can link it right from your home page. And then you can let your prospects book appointments, even pay immediately. Help your client and you grow your business faster than ever before. EZLocal allows you to sell this service that you're seeing right here to customers over and over again. It allows you to give them the ability to set up a smart booking website that allows them to grow their business as they connect with their customers, and you become the hero of the day. That is EZLocal.